India and France have concluded negotiations for the purchase of 26 Rafale M fighter aircraft, valued at $7.6 billion United States dollars. The formal agreement is expected to be signed in April 2025 during a visit by the French Defense Minister to India. The Indian Navy will acquire the Rafale M to replace its MiG-29K and MiG-29KUB aircraft, currently operated by INS 300 White Tigers and INS 303 Black Panthers squadrons. The new aircraft will be deployed on the Indian Navy's aircraft carriers INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya. While the exact composition of the order has not been officially confirmed, reports suggest it will include 22 Rafale M carrier-based fighters and 4 Rafale B dual-seat trainers. The Rafale B is not designed for carrier operations and would likely be used for land-based training. Previous reports indicated that all 26 aircraft could be Rafale M variants, with pilot training taking place in France and at INS Hansa in Goa using advanced simulators. The final details regarding training and aircraft variants remain subject to official confirmation. Dassault Aviation, the manufacturer of the Rafale, is also assessing the feasibility of establishing a final assembly line in India. This would support potential future orders and align with India's Make in India initiative. India previously acquired 36 Rafale aircraft for the Indian Air Force under a 2016 contract, with deliveries completed by 2022. Further orders for the Air Force are under consideration as part of India's ongoing military modernization efforts.